everyone, welcome back to Aar-Tas International School. Today we are diving into an incredible tool which has transformed communication for many individuals with autism. PECS cards or Picture Exchange Communication System cards.
PECS cards are more than just pictures. They are a bridge between individuals who are nonverbal or have limited speech to express their needs, wants, and even emotions. Whether it is choosing their favorite snack, choosing their activities, or even saying thank you. PECS provide a voice when words are harder to find. PECS is originally developed in 1985. It is based on a 6-structured phase that teach gradually users how to communicate, starting from simple picture exchange to building a full sentences. And the best part is, it is entirely adaptable to each individual's unique needs and environment. In this playlist, we'll explore what PECS cards are, how you can start using them at home, school, and even in therapy session. Stick around as we break down the steps, share practical tips, and answer some of the most common questions. Let's unlock the power of communication together, one picture at a time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more autism-friendly tools and strategies.